Cristiano Ronaldo's new house is worth $600 million. The most luxurious houses in the world belong to the athletes, but CR7's house is far from the norm. 011. This house in the shape of a C with 16 initials, commercial and sports, CR7, has everything to flatter. Let's face it, it's just a concept straight out of the imagination of a Cuban architect based in Miami. Built to pass its holidays, it is located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, in the Bay of Miami, and is only accessible by boat or by land. Hosed on natural rock, it stands on 3 levels, with 5 rooms, a living room, a spacious kitchen, a gym naturally for a professional athlete, and a movie theater, all bathed in the freshness of a waterfall. Outside, there is a heliport and a pool that open and close to change functions. The house is durable, equipped with solar panels. However, there is no outside football field, as the architect added. Really, what to say? CR7 is not only the GOAT on football fields, but even beyond football. Do you think the opposite?